This video will give you a basic overview of how to install your InnovaShowers wall system. Please read the entire installation instructions provided with your order before you begin your installation. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need. Installation of waterproof substrate is required for use in wet environments. Before starting, measure walls and check for level and squareness. Make sure all surfaces are clean and dry. We recommend you perform a dry layout prior to applying adhesive. Starting with panel 1, you will first need to prepare the inside corner trim. Insert sealant from end to end into the deeper channel of the inside corner trim. Apply adhesive to the back of panel 1. You can place the inside corner trim to the panel before or after you apply the adhesive. Add a head of sealant along the top for added water protection. Install panel 1, including the inside corner trim, to the left side of the back wall. Adjust as needed and firmly press into place. Make sure the trim is even with the panel. Prepare the inside corner trim in panel 2 the same way. Keep in mind to put the sealant into the deeper channel and that the trim will be on the right side of this panel. Before installing panel 2, place a bead of sealant along the tongue and groove edge of the installed panel 1. Start with inserting panel 2 into the tongue and groove of panel 1. Then press panel 2 into place. Make sure the inside corner trim is adjusted to be tight in the right corner and even on top of the panel. Wipe away any sealant that pushes out from seams along trim and between panels. Add sealant into the inside corner trim before installing panel 3. Prepare panel 3 the same as prior panels. Install by inserting it into the inside corner trim and press panel into place. Apply sealant to J-trim and then install it to the outside edge of panel 3. Panel 4 will need to have holes cut to accommodate shower components. Measure to ensure correct location and then cut holes. Apply sealant into the inside corner trim that is already installed. Apply adhesive and a bead of sealant to the back of panel 4. The same as all prior panels. Start with placing the panel into the inside corner trim and press into place. Apply sealant into J-trim and then install it to the outside edge of panel 4. Keep checking for any sealant that squeezes out or add more if additional is needed. Apply sealant to the top edge of all panels for a watertight seal. Smooth out the sealant to a desired finished look. Also add sealant along bottom edge of all panels where it rests on the shower base. Finally, note that there are several optional accessories available such as shelves, bench, and niche options. Thanks for watching.